Making a flock of birds in Blender. Subdivide a box. Add edge loops. Squidge into bird shape. Select edges and extrude tail and wing. Symmetrize. Mark seams. Unwrap and pack. Create material. Create texture with alpha. Change blend mode to alpha clip. Erase alpha edges. Add alpha feathers. Paint color. Save image. Add armature. Rename wing with .r suffix. Mirror armature. Parent bones to root. Parent mesh to armature. Pose with X mirror. Wings up, wings down. Offset and tweak. Create collection. Duplicate collection. Again, and again, and again. Offset animation timing. Hide them. Add icosphere. Add displacement. Cloud texture. Add empty. Parent to icosphere. Animate empty position. Use empty as displacement coordinates. Add particle system to icosphere. Choose to render specific collections. Adjust source. Adjust number. Adjust scale, rotation, and switch off physics. Pack into master collection for easy appending and linking.